Hello students, all is well. Welcome back to computer class. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. And today we are going to start chapter number 4, that is features in Microsoft Word. In the previous chapter, you have discussed about how can we change display setting of Windows operating system. Now in this video, we will discuss about paragraph formatting, column formatting, finding and replacing text, setting page properties, and previewing and printing a document. In this video, we will discuss about paragraph formatting. So students, paragraph formatting lets you control the appearance of individual paragraph. For example, you can change the alignment of text from left to center or the spacing between lines from single to double. Paragraph formatting is applied to an entire paragraph. In Microsoft Word, a new paragraph begins when you press the Enter key. You can format a paragraph by changing the alignment, indentation, line spacing, and paragraph spacing. So let us learn about these options in details. Alignment refers to the placement of text with respect to left and right margins. It refers to where and how the text line up. Alignment is a term used to describe how text is placed on the screen. The default setting in Microsoft Word will left align your text. You can choose to left alignment, right alignment, center align, or justify the text. Align text left, place the text toward the left margin, leaving a ragged right edge. Align text right, place the text toward the right margin, leaving a ragged left edge. Center alignment, place the text in the center of the left and right margin. And justify, place the text in such a way that the text is equally distributed between both the margin and none of the edges of the text appear ragged. You can understand the concept of left alignment with the help of this diagram. For left alignment, you have to select the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Left button available on the Home tab. You can see that in the diagram, or you can simply press the Ctrl+L shortcut key. For right alignment, select the paragraph you want to align and click the Align Text Right button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+R shortcut key. For center alignment, select the paragraph you want to align and click the center button available on the Home tab, or simply press Ctrl+E shortcut key. For justify, select the paragraph you want to align and click the justify button available on the Home tab, or simply press the Ctrl+J shortcut key. Indentation is the amount of spacing between the text and the page margin. Or you can say that in word processing, the word indent is used to describe the distance or number of blank space used to separate a paragraph from left or right margins. The various types of indentations are left indentation, right indentation, and special indents. Special indents divided into two categories: first line indent and hanging indent. Left indentation lets you specify the amount of spacing to be given from the left margin. Right indentation lets you specify the amount of spacing to be given from the right margin. First line indentation, this indentation makes the first line of the paragraph indented more toward the right compared to the subsequent line, and hanging indentation makes the first line of the paragraph indent more toward the left compared to the subsequent lines. You can see that in this diagram. Left indentation, this indentation lets you specify the amount of spacing to be given from the left margin. Right indentation specify the amount of spacing to be given from the right margin. And you can see that first line indentation makes the first line of the paragraph indented more toward the right compared to the subsequent line, and hanging indentation make the first line of the paragraph indented more toward the left compared to the subsequent line. Now follow this step to set the indentation for the text. First step is select the text to be indented. You can see that in the diagram. Second step is click on the page layout tab. And third step is specify the value for left and right indent under the paragraph group. You can see that in the diagram. So with the help of this step, you can apply the indentation on the paragraph. Now what is line spacing? Line spacing determines the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph in a Word document. By default, lines are single spaced. In Microsoft Word, you can customize how much space you want between lines. These are used to manage the layout of a document. You can increase or decrease line space by following these steps. First step is select the text or the paragraph for which you want to change the line spacing. So you have to select the paragraph. This is your first step. Second step is click on the home tab. You have to click on the home tab. Third step is click on the line spacing option in the paragraph group. You can see that in the diagram. You have to click on the line spacing option. It is available in the paragraph group. When you click on the line spacing option, a drop down list appears. You can see that in the diagram. Now fourth step is select the desired spacing value from the drop down list. You can select any value. So this is very simple step to increase or decrease the line space of your Word document. Now what is paragraph spacing? Paragraph spacing determines the amount of space below or above a paragraph. When you press enter to start a new paragraph, the spacing is carried over to the next paragraph, but you can change the setting of each paragraph. You can set paragraph spacing by following these steps. First step is select the paragraph before or after which you want to change the setting. You can see that in the diagram. Second step is click on the page layout tab. So you have to click on the page layout tab. You can see that in the diagram. This is your second step. Now third step is enter the required value in the before and after spin box under spacing under the paragraph group. So this is your third step. Okay, third step, enter the required value in the before and after spin boxes. So with the help of this step, you can change the paragraph spacing. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of paragraph formatting. In the next video, I will explain you about column formatting and find and replacing feature of Microsoft Word.